What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I am back with something that is inspired by a true classic, and that's a Filet-O-Fish sandwich. So I wanted to make that, but vegan, of course. And I saw so many videos, read so many recipes, and you know, I can't say that it came out like any of them, but I do think it was delicious. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, what I made, you already know to keep watching. Let me just say this. It kind of looks a mess, but it's one of those real trust the process type of recipes. So I hope that you enjoy, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're gonna do is drain your hearts of palm, and as you can see, I was a little annoyed because I got the sliced one instead of the whole one. In all the videos I saw, when people have the whole hearts of palm, they are just flaking it with a fork. I couldn't do that because they were sliced, so I just decided to pivot and mash them. In the meantime, I was also working on my seasoning blend. So to a NutriBullet, I added the following ingredients, which I will show on screen now. So I had seaweed snack, Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. And then I just mixed all this together. Every time I've ever seen my uncle make fried fish, shout out Uncle Keith, he always put mustard in it. So I just decided to do that too. And I'm mixing everything together until it's well incorporated. Now, you all have seen me use the rice paper before, and I used it when we made vegan bacon. So I'm just using that for some added texture and to give the shape of our fish patty. Now, you'll see me dipping it into a batter, which is just our same seasoning blend with a little bit of flour and water before putting it in some vegan breadcrumbs. So I'm putting my fish patties into a skillet with some neutral oil and letting them just brown up on each side. So I was a little impatient, so I flipped them a little early, but eventually they should have a nice golden brown crust like this. And now we'll make our tartar sauce. So I've got vegan mayonnaise going in with some lemon juice. Sorry, I don't have measurements. You just kind of got to feel it on this one till the texture looks right to you. Going in with some fresh dill, a little bit of pickle relish, and some Louisiana hot sauce. Mix it all together. Add a pinch of salt to taste. And now we are going to assemble our sandwich. So I've got some vegan cheese on a bun, adding my fish patty, the sauce, a little bit of some lettuce, and then here is our fish sandwich. Let me know if you think it's popping in the comment section below.